Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work, which we had to replace the Mechano valve. This one that you see right here takes care of distributing the water flow all the way to the espresso cup. So water passes through here, goes through a series of chambers around it, then it shoots out through the infuser, and then it goes out into the spouts. So yeah, that's what we did. We replaced this Mechano valve. We tested it out thoroughly, made sure that it was working perfectly, and we also used different settings for the grinder. We were grinding on the finer setting as well as on the coarser setting, and the machine was always grinding fine and extracting the way it's supposed to. With this one, sometimes you will barely get any flow, you will just get any drip, or you will just get nothing at all, and the machine will constantly ask you to run the hot water as it's not sensing any water going through the entire machine, just to prime itself. But as you can see on this machine, excellent flow coming out of the spouts, really great crema, and no error whatsoever. Water sensor, as you can see, definitely works. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water and then be right back. As you can see, the light went off, so that means that the machine has water inside. We are also testing the hot water, and as you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine, working great. Now we're gonna be using the steamer function of this machine. It has to prime itself a bit, and then once it releases all the excess water, it will soon start to heat up, and then you will see the steam coming out through the one. There you go. The steam coming out of the one. Good flow. Working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.